The JF-17 Thunder fighter jet has reportedly drawn significant attention at the Dubai Airshow, with a friendly country signing a memorandum of understanding for its procurement. This interest underscores the JF-17's growing international appeal, highlighting its advanced capabilities and cost-effectiveness. The potential sale marks a major success for its developers, showcasing the aircraft's competitiveness in the global defense market, and expanding its operational footprint. President Donald Trump has claimed he prevented a war between Pakistan and India, stating a threat of 350% tariffs against India forced de-escalation. Speaking publicly, he reiterated his belief that strong economic leverage was key to averting conflict. This assertion reflects his unique diplomatic style during his presidency, where trade policy was often intertwined with international security concerns, and he believes it was decisive in the moment. Military analysts are suggesting that Pakistan is quietly entering a significant modernization phase across its armed forces. This silent modernization reportedly involves upgrading key defense systems, acquiring advanced technologies, and refining strategic doctrines. The assessment indicates a proactive approach to enhancing military capabilities and preparedness, adapting to evolving regional threats without overt fanfare, securing its defensive posture for the future. The United States has cleared a $93 million sale to India, including advanced Javelin anti-tank missile systems and Excalibur precision-guided artillery projectiles. This significant defense deal underscores the strengthening strategic partnership between Washington and New Delhi. The procurement aims to boost India's defensive capabilities, providing its armed forces with cutting-edge weaponry for enhanced security against various threats along its borders. From Gwadar to Washington, this is Pakistangeo Defence Update, Pakistan's voice in the world of defense and geopolitics. Please subscribe. A United Nations Security Council monitoring panel has flagged a concerning increase in high-profile attacks on Pakistan, reportedly backed by the Afghan Taliban and carried out by the Taliban Pakistan, or TTP. The report details how these cross-border incursions are destabilizing regional security and posing a significant threat to Pakistan's sovereignty. This assessment from an international body validates Islamabad's long-standing concerns regarding militant safe havens across the border. The findings underscore the urgent need for a coordinated international response to counter the resurgence of terrorist groups in the region. A recent US Congressional report has reportedly included a mention of Pakistan's military success over India, in specific contexts. While the full scope of the report's findings is still being analyzed, this particular detail has drawn significant attention. Such a mention in a US congressional document, especially concerning military engagements between the two South Asian rivals, is noteworthy. It suggests an acknowledgement of specific operational achievements or tactical advantages, contributing to the ongoing debate and analysis of the military balance in the region and how it's perceived internationally. The highly versatile BvS-10 armored all-terrain vehicle has secured its first sale in Asia, with India signing a significant contract. This robust vehicle, known for its exceptional mobility in challenging environments, is set to enhance the Indian Army's capabilities, particularly in mountainous and snowbound regions. The deal marks a major breakthrough for the European manufacturer in the Asian market, reflecting the BvS-10's growing international appeal. This acquisition will provide India with advanced logistical and operational support, strengthening its defense posture in difficult terrains and bolstering its tactical mobility. Russia has reportedly delivered the first batch of its advanced Su-57E stealth fighters to Algeria. This marks a significant upgrade for the Algerian Air Force, making it the first international operator of Moscow's fifth-generation combat aircraft. The Su-57E boasts stealth capabilities, supercruise, and advanced avionics, dramatically enhancing Algeria's air superiority and defensive posture. This deal underscores the strong military-technical cooperation between Russia and Algeria, and is seen as a major move to modernize the North African nation's aerial combat capabilities, setting a new standard for regional air forces. Iran is reportedly planning to host a regional meeting on Afghanistan, amid escalating tensions between Pakistan and the Taliban interim government. This diplomatic initiative from Tehran aims to bring together key regional stakeholders to discuss the volatile situation, cross-border militancy, and humanitarian concerns. The meeting underscores Iran's growing role as a mediator in regional conflicts and its efforts to promote stability in its neighborhood. It signifies a collective attempt by regional powers to find a diplomatic solution to the ongoing challenges emanating from Afghanistan, particularly concerning its neighbors. Pakistan's Civil Aviation Authority has issued a notice to airmen, or Notam, officially extending the ban on Indian aircraft from using its airspace until December 24. This ongoing restriction continues to impact commercial flights between the two nations, forcing longer routes and increased travel times for airlines. The extension reflects the persistent political and security tensions that have plagued bilateral relations. This prolonged airspace closure underscores the broader diplomatic standoff and its tangible consequences for regional aviation and trade, awaiting a resolution to ease air travel restrictions. In a significant development for national defense, Pakistan has approved an additional supplementary budget of 50 billion Pakistani rupees for its armed forces. This crucial decision underscores the nation's commitment to bolstering its defense capabilities and ensuring the security of its borders. The allocation aims to address various operational needs, modernize equipment, and enhance the preparedness of the military. This supplementary budget is expected to strengthen the armed forces' capacity to respond to evolving security challenges, both internal and external. Experts believe this move will further solidify Pakistan's defense posture in the region, reflecting a strategic investment in peace and stability. The approval comes at a critical time, highlighting the government's prioritization of national defense. Major news from the aviation world. Fly Dubai, the innovative low-cost carrier, has announced a landmark deal with aerospace giant Boeing. The agreement, valued at a staggering $13 billion, involves the acquisition of 75 new aircraft. This massive order marks a significant expansion for Fly Dubai, signaling its ambitious growth plans and commitment to enhancing its fleet. The new planes are expected to primarily comprise Boeing's latest generation of fuel-efficient aircraft, which will boost the airline's capacity, introduce new routes, and improve the overall passenger experience. This partnership not only strengthens the ties between Fly Dubai and Boeing but also underscores the robust growth in the global aviation sector, particularly in the Middle East. Get ready for more destinations and even better service from Fly Dubai. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts in comments section, and please answer today's question.